Alright, good morning, State College. It is another Wednesday. So let's go on and get a test out, shall we?
Thursday, sunny. Highs in the mid-50s. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. This is the National Weather Service Office in State College, Pennsylvania.
Come on now.
You just heard were a test of this specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. During dangerous weather events, NOAA weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems. A message with information about a watch or warning would follow. Tests of these systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test
Good job,
may be postponed
300.
until the next good weather day. Repeating, this was a test of this specific area message encoding and tone alert systems.
Excuse me.
Here is the latest National Weather Service
Alrighty then.
forecast for
That was a pretty good test this week.
11 counties, including the city of Harrisburg.
So thank you very much.
Rest of today